My father, who is no longer with us anymore, used to say, you can't live in this world without asking for help. And that is one of the things that contributed to me wanting to help other helping professionals. I worked at a lot of organizations that like community mental health, in a school setting, in hospital settings. I saw a lot of patterns and a lot of things that I wanted to fix. Understanding that we are not going to fix things, but I can help people learn how to navigate through these systems. So one of my college roommates from up here decided that we were going to open up a private mental health counseling practice to help people navigate through these challenges. We wanted to offer opportunities, and we did that 13 years ago, HandinHand Counseling Services. And I decided to write a book, my first book, Vitamin C Healing for the Mind, Body, and Soul. And this book was about mental health awareness, especially in the Black community. And from that, I started a business, the Vitamin C Healing. I wasn't selling vitamins. I got asked that a lot. Vitamin C Healing was about healing of the whole person, mentally, emotionally, spiritually.
She is someone who always continues to move forward. She sees an issue, she sees a void, she sees a gap, and she looks to fill it. I cannot think of someone who would better represent IUP.
I do what I do because I was a shy kid. I was afraid to speak up for myself. And when I got into this profession, I wanted to help people to get out of their situations and to experience life the way they see fit. So to see people come from a place of not knowing what to do or being afraid to lose their voice, to evolving into the person who won't take no for an answer is what keeps me going.
She has positioned herself to be a phenomenal role model for all ages and races and genders to follow their dreams.
The most rewarding part of my journey has been both of my parents. They were a part of it. The work that they put in, the sacrifices that they made, the encouragement, just pouring their all into me, wanting me to go a lot further in my career that they could ever go, being in it with me and being able to just experience the fruits of their labor.